What's up, everyone? And thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Silver Seek Wednesday. I know today is Thursday. Um, I wasn't really feeling it yesterday, to be honest. But anyway, before we get into this video, make sure you guys smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell, check out my description below where you will find my social medias in my merch shop. So we're gonna get into this. All right. So as you guys see, that the cost of all the precious metals has taken a big hit right now. You got gold at I don't think this spot price is right. It was at 1,600 and something. Silver is at 1871. It's gone. It's down 4%. Gold is down 1%. I guess it had a comeback or something in the last hour. Platinum is down. Palladium is down. Everything is tanking. The reason why everything is tanking is because the dollar index is up. Everything is down but the dollar. Oil is down. The stocks are down. Everything is down. And as you guys don't know, that our inflation report came out yesterday, and it's not looking good. It's a lot worse than it was last month. It's at 9.1, and it's steady going up. And yeah, like I said, more likely in my last video, more likely we are in a recession. But we're going to see what's in stock and what's for sale and what's available for silver and gold. So let's get into it. All right, as you guys see here, this is AppNext, and I chose to do these guys first because they're the most expensive out of most of the online buy-ins. So we're gonna get into this real quick. All right, as you guys see here, we got 5-ounce cast poured silver bar, 9 fine mint, 116. It's 26 off the premium. So we got all this going. Some 10 ouncers, more 1 ouncers. I know you guys want to look at the rounds, to be honest. If you want to stock rounds or coins that's closer to what spot is, like right here, this is good. Like, yes, the premium is still high, but it will go down eventually. I don't know when. I remember I got this Bitcoin round for like 25 bucks. Now it's 24 basically. What if you pay it through let me show you guys real quick. See that you see it's 3 ways of payment. I don't know why it's doing that. It's 3 ways of payment. All the buoyants have this. Check wire, crypto, PayPal. You see that it goes up and up and up. More likely people will use credit card or PayPal than crypto or e-check. But you do save a lot of money using the e-check. But anyway, we're going to go to the next one, which is private metals. And here's go the deals here for them. We got 2022 Canadian Maple Leaf, 1 ounce. It's BU coin, 25.68. Like I said, the premium is still here, but it's still not bad. The best time to buy is now, guys. 100%. Ooh! Oh wow! This is good. That's a good deal right here. When I started stacking earlier this year, I remember 2 ounces being like 70 plus. Look at that. Let me see how much it costs with the check. I mean, not check, but credit card. I would pay this any day of the week. 2-ounce round, Egyptian god. Wow. Okay, that's a great deal. Huh. Got some more 5 ouncers, 10 ouncers. Got some gold down here. Also the ratio for silver to gold is 93-1. So I highly advise you guys to buy silver over gold. Let's see what rounds they got here. I don't want to see copper. Hold up, let me go through here. All right, rounds. Okay, 1 ouncers. Okay, cool. 22.69. Let's go to rounds. I love coins too, but like I said, rounds of the premiums are lower, and it's silver, guys. It does not matter. It's silver, honestly. So this is private metals. I'm gonna try my best not to make this video too long for you guys. We're gonna check out JM Boyan, and are these the deals right here? Wait a minute. I think these are the deals. Yep. Let's go to the rounds. Okay. Isn't JM Boyan and private metals basically almost basically the same company? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Stay away from fractional silver, guys. Oh, damn! I clicked on it by accident. My bad. Okay, here we go. 1 ounces. Not too bad, guys. Everything's in stock too on this website, JM Boyan. Good deals, good deals, pretty good deals. Okay, we're going up the pace a little bit. Go to SD Boyan. SD Boyan is definitely in the top 2 to 3, to be honest. When it comes to online buoyants and their prices, they're very good with deals, as you see here. And then we're gonna jump up to the rounds real quick. 1 ounce, and oh, you see the prices. I don't know if it went down or went up. Yeah, guys, look at this. This is a design of their choice, though. More likely you will get a buffalo, which is fine. Silver. Aztec calendar. These are pretty rounds. And everything else is out of stock because SD Boyan has one of their best deals. Alright, we're gonna go to Boyan Max. I think this is making its debut here, Boyan Max. And we can see what they have here. They got Britannia's 24, that's not bad. Canadian Maple, what's this, Platinum? Yep, it's not bad either. See if I can find the rounds here. What are rounds? Oh, okay, wait. There we go. It's down here. Okay. Is this it? Oh, okay, well good. I guess this is it. Oh, Asahi round. Oh, 20. Oh, it's out of stock. Oh, damn. Oh, you can always click to alert me. Wow, that's a great deal. Alright, we're gonna jump to another debut. Hero Boyan. I was got hip to them on another live stream. New service stacker. Shout out to him. And look at the deals. Wow. They got Eagles for $29.47. American Eagles. I would still stay away from them because they have a very high premium. So stay away from them. You can pick up some of these right here. Don't tread on me rounds. Got some gold if you guys want some gold, but I'm not looking at gold. I'm all about the silver rounds. Let's do 1 ounce and then let's go to the 2 ounces. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. I think everything else is out of stock. Alright, let's go to the 2 ounces. See what they have. Okay, that sucks. Alright, we're going to go into the last one, and that is money metals. Yeah. Alright, we got 1 ounce silver buffalo. $22.98. Basically, it's probably going to be 23 something if you're using credit card. Walking Liberty rounds. Trump Brown. And if you guys want to check out some bars, I guess we'll show them too. Here we go. And I guess we'll look at some coins too. I'll try not to make videos too long, guys. That's why I kind of rush it. But if you guys want me to take my time more, just let me know in the comments, and I can show more variety around. Sorry. Oh, I mean a more wide variety of options, guys. Sorry. Yeah. This is what they got here. Not too shabby. All right. And like I said, if you guys want me to take my time and do more variety, then I can. Just let me know. Because I want to go look at some gold, but I don't want to make this video too long. And again, sorry about the watermark again. I'm trying to see what I can do with this software. So that's why I'm using this for now. So sorry again. Um, Either that, my tongue is so twisted. Either than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. On your way out, make sure you smack that like button again, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Um, keep stacking, guys, because this it's just going to keep going down in price, but it's going to stop eventually, and it's going to start going up. When the dollar index start to go down, all this is going to shoot to the moon, and that's the time to cash in if you guys want like invest in precious metals to get fiat currency back out actual currency. If you guys want to do that, precious metals isn't for to get you, it's basically not to make you rich over short term, but long term, if you have enough and if the prices go in your favor, then that's when you want to cash it out if you want to. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, carry a gun, get prepared, and start stacking. And as always, have a nice day, guys. Take it easy.